Have you ever wondered why two cars with the same engine can feel completely different in performance? Some cars accelerate faster, respond better to throttle inputs, and seem to get the most out of their engines, while others feel sluggish despite having similar specs. The secret? Dyno tuning. This process fine-tunes your engine's performance, making it more efficient, powerful, and responsive. Whether you're a speed enthusiast, a daily driver, or someone who just wants a smoother ride, dyno tuning can make a huge difference. But how exactly does it work, and why is it so important? In this video, we're counting down the top 10 reasons why dyno tuning is the ultimate key to unlocking your car's full potential. Each of these reasons will help you understand why this process is more than just a performance upgrade. It's a necessity for anyone serious about their vehicle. Let's jump right in. 10. Maximizing horsepower and torque. One of the main reasons people turn to dyno tuning is to unlock more horsepower and torque from their engine. Factory settings prioritize reliability and emissions, meaning your car isn't always running at peak performance. A dyno tune adjusts air-fuel ratios, ignition timing, and boost levels for turbocharged engines to optimize power output without compromising reliability. This fine-tuning results in stronger acceleration and increased speed, making a noticeable difference in how your car performs. Even naturally aspirated engines, which don't rely on forced induction, can see gains by optimizing combustion efficiency. A dyno tune ensures your engine is working at its full potential, giving you more power when you need it most. Whether you're looking for a quicker 0, 60 time or more top-end power, tuning can help extract every bit of available performance from your setup. 9. Improved throttle response. Have you ever pressed the gas pedal and felt a delay before your car reacts? That sluggish response is due to factory throttle mapping, which often prioritizes smoothness over responsiveness. Dyno tuning removes unnecessary delays and customizes the throttle response to match your driving style, giving you instant acceleration when you need it. Modern cars use electronic throttle control, which can sometimes feel disconnected from actual engine power. A dyno tune refines throttle sensitivity, ensuring a more natural and predictable driving experience. Whether you're launching off the line or passing on the highway, the engine will respond instantly to your inputs. For performance cars, sharper throttle response means better control in corners and more engaging driving dynamics. A properly tuned car feels more alive, making every drive more enjoyable and giving you confidence behind the wheel. 8. Optimizing air-fuel ratio for efficiency. The air-fuel ratio, AFR, is one of the most critical factors in an engine's performance. If the AFR is too rich, too much fuel, it leads to excessive fuel consumption, carbon buildup, and sluggish performance. If it's too lean, too little fuel, it can cause overheating, knocking, and engine damage. A dyno tune adjusts the AFR to achieve the perfect balance, ensuring your engine runs as efficiently as possible. By fine-tuning the AFR, combustion efficiency improves, meaning your engine burns fuel cleaner and more effectively. This translates to better power output, smoother driving, and even improved fuel economy in certain conditions. A properly tuned AFR also reduces emissions, helping your car run cleaner. Whether you drive a daily commuter or a high-performance sports car, getting the air-fuel mixture right is essential for optimal power, efficiency, and long-term reliability. 7. Smoother power delivery. A car with inconsistent power delivery can feel jerky and unpredictable, making acceleration frustrating instead of exciting. Stock engine maps often create flat spots in the power band where the engine doesn't respond smoothly. Dyno tuning optimizes fuel mapping and ignition timing, eliminating these inconsistencies and ensuring a steady flow of power. For turbocharged cars, this means reducing lag and ensuring boost builds progressively instead of suddenly spiking. For naturally aspirated engines, it means a more linear power curve, where acceleration feels fluid and controlled. This is especially important during high-speed maneuvers or on the track, where precision and consistency matter. With dyno tuning, your engine pulls harder and more predictably, making the driving experience smoother and more enjoyable. Instead of sudden surges or hesitation, your car delivers power exactly when you need it, making every throttle input feel refined. 6. Increased fuel efficiency. Dyno tuning isn't just about raw power. It can also improve fuel efficiency. When an engine isn't running optimally, it wastes fuel by burning too much or not burning it efficiently. A dyno tune optimizes ignition timing and fuel delivery, ensuring every drop of fuel is used effectively. This means your car can achieve better mileage, particularly at cruising speeds where an efficient tune can lower fuel consumption. If you drive a high-performance car, tuning helps balance power and efficiency, so you're not burning excessive fuel just for the sake of extra horsepower. Even daily drivers can benefit from dyno tuning by getting more range per tank without sacrificing performance. Over time, these small improvements add up to significant savings at the pump, making dyno tuning a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to get the most out of their fuel. 5. Better engine longevity and reliability. A common myth is that tuning wears out an engine faster, but the reality is, a proper dyno tune can extend your engine's lifespan. When an engine runs too rich, too lean, or with incorrect timing, it puts unnecessary stress on internal components. Over time, this can lead to excess wear, overheating, or even catastrophic failure. Dyno tuning adjusts engine parameters to operate safely and efficiently, reducing strain and improving longevity. By optimizing air-fuel ratios and ignition timing, a tune prevents detonation, excessive heat buildup, and carbon deposits. Performance tuning doesn't mean pushing the engine to its limits. It means ensuring it runs at its best within safe operating parameters. When done correctly, a tune can reduce maintenance costs, prevent early failures, and keep your car running stronger for longer, making it a smart move for reliability-conscious drivers. 4. Customization for mods and aftermarket parts. If you've installed aftermarket parts, like a cold air intake, exhaust system, or turbo upgrades, your car needs a tune to take full advantage of them. Simply adding performance parts without tuning means your engine won't know how to use them properly. Dyno tuning adjusts the engine settings to match the new components, ensuring you get the full performance benefits. Without tuning, you're leaving horsepower on the table and might even cause issues like engine knock or misfires. 3. Enhanced driving experience. Dyno tuning isn't just about numbers, it's about how the car feels. After tuning, most drivers notice an immediate improvement in how their car drives. The acceleration is smoother, the gear shifts feel more precise, and the engine operates more effortlessly. Whether you're a casual driver or a track enthusiast, a well-tuned car feels like an extension of yourself. Every input translates to an immediate response, making driving more enjoyable and confidence-inspiring. 2. Eliminating factory limitations. Manufacturers often include limitations in their tuning to meet emission regulations, fuel standards, and market conditions. While this makes sense for mass production, it means your car isn't performing at its full potential. A dyno tune removes these unnecessary restrictions, allowing your engine to perform at its best without sacrificing reliability. This is especially true for turbocharged cars, which often have artificial boost limits that can be safely adjusted for more power. 1. The best performance upgrade for the money. If you're looking for the best bang for your buck modification, dyno tuning is it. Unlike expensive bolt-on upgrades, tuning extracts the full potential of your existing setup without requiring major mechanical changes. Many people spend thousands on performance parts without realizing their car isn't making full use of them. A tune ensures that every horsepower is optimized, giving you the best return on your investment. Whether you're racing, daily driving, or just want a more refined experience, dyno tuning is the single most effective way to upgrade your car. Conclusion. Dyno tuning is more than just a performance boost. It's a complete transformation for your car. From maximizing horsepower and throttle response to improving fuel efficiency and engine longevity, the benefits are undeniable. Whether you've modified your car or want to unlock its hidden potential, a dyno tune is the key to making it perform at its best. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content on performance upgrades, car tuning, and everything automotive. Let us know in the comments if you've had your car dyno tuned and what difference it made. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.